Knuckle Up TV. I'm with Mr. Tom Baker. How you doing, sir?
Yeah, all good, mate. Getting ready for the 25th of March. Everything's going smoothly.
Going smoothly, yeah?
Yeah, going good.
Going good, yeah. How's tickets going so far?
You know, tickets. I don't really have to do any, but you know, I've got 250. I've got 250 tickets, and yeah, they'll be gone. My dad deals with them and family, so yeah, all going well.
Wicked. So English title, like heavyweight title. So obviously after 25th of March, what's your plans for the year ahead?
Yeah, I'm going to win the English title. You know, I'm not going to rush into anything, but you know, I want to be a British champion by the end of the year, within the next 6 months. Jose Burton and Mal Shinkman's fighting for it. It's going to be an interesting fight. You know, may the best man win on the night, and look forward to them, seeing it. But yeah, whoever's got the British, I'm coming from. I want the British. That's definitely what I want to. You know, I'm going to be champion by the end of the year.
Well, good luck. So where are you from?
I'm from Chingford.
Chingford, right.
Yeah, so it's East London.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Chingford, East London. Right. So, who do you, other than obviously yourself that you're boxing, what fighters inspire you? When you sit at home and watch, what fighters you look at?
You know, I'm round the world champion. You know, Billy Joe Saunders is in my gym.
Yeah.
He trains with me. You know, I'm picking everything up with him. You know, he's good to watch. It's good to learn off. You know, I spar with him, and I'm learning every day. I'm still in the trade, but you know, one of me you know, best fighters of all time is you know, can't take away from is Mayweather.
Mayweather, yeah.
Best defence. You know, I like to watch different fighters and pick up different things, like in Box Nation, all your different fighters and that. But yeah, there's a lot of fighters in the mix, but you know, it's all a learning curve, you know.
No, good luck. It was nice seeing you today.
Yeah.
Wish you all the best for the 25th of March, and obviously we'll see a lot more of each other and that. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Good luck. All right. Nice seeing you, mate.